Today we're going to take a look at our radio drills. This is our Republic model RH-2000H, and it features a 7.5 horsepower 2-speed motor with an automatic spindle brake. It has low and high gears in the spindle speeds that range from 35 to 1,890 RPMs. It has a quill that travels approximately 15 inches. Drill capacity in steel is about 2.6 inches. In cast iron, it's about 2.8 inches. The tapping capability in steel is about 2 inches. The tapping in cast iron is about 2.4 inches. And the boring in steel is going to be 5 inches, while the boring in cast iron is approximately 7.3 inches. Now, the most unique factors about this machine is that it does come with a hydraulic clamping of the column and the arm via push buttons, which makes it really easy to unlock the column and to easily move the arm, which is extremely large in this case. The arm can move back and forth, and the head can move also back and forth, so you can find the exact position that you need to be in. The other unique feature, which is also a great safety feature, is that it has a power arm elevation system that has an anti-fall safety device on both ends. So you'll never have to worry about it going too far up or too far down, because you have these safety devices that will stop the machine. It has an automatic tool ejector built into the spindle, which is obviously very convenient when you're having to modify or take away and replace different tooling. This machine also comes with hardened and ground armways, and it has a built-in work light as well as a flood coolant system. The other thing it does include in the design is a built-in clutch for high-speed spindle reverse when tapping. The lever on the left actually is going to help change the rotation of the quill from clockwise to counterclockwise. There is a lever that moves the quill up and down automatically, but you also have the ability to disengage the two levers on the side of the hand wheel, and that will allow you to manually move the quill up and down where you want it to be. Overall, this machine comes with T-slots on the base of the machine, and those T-slots allow you to put larger scale items. And then it also comes with a plain box table that you can utilize, and you can easily move that plain box table back and forth depending on where you need to position it, or you could work maybe on 2 different items. And like all of our machines, we can also make it UL approved. We can change all the electrics and make sure that they follow the NFPA 79 electrics as well as a NEMA 12 enclosure. And last but not least, it comes with a manual and a toolbox that gives you all of the elements that you're gonna need for basic service and maintenance on the machine. For all your other questions, or if you're interested in finding out more about what other radio drills we have, please visit us at www.lagun.com.